The Maihail 47-inch desk with drawers offers abundant storage space with 3 drawers, a side storage pocket, and a one-tier open shelf, making it ideal for organizing your workspace effectively. Designed with practicality in mind, the desk features a gap for charging cables at the back, allowing it to sit flush against the wall, and adjustable feet to cater to uneven floors. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and a durable wood surface, this desk combines lightness with stability, and its surface is resistant to water and wear. Available in 3 colors and 3 sizes, the desk is versatile enough to meet various needs and can be customized by installing the drawers on either side. The desktop measures 47.24 inches by 19.69 inches, with a height of 29.13 inches, and comes with clear installation instructions and necessary tools. Maihail ensures a simple installation process and provides excellent customer support for any questions or suggestions, making this desk a reliable choice for home or office use.